29th, and it is Friday. Just got done doing my combing out my hair because I'm supposed to style it. So I wet my hair and then I combed it out. I put grease in it, and I think the grease was called African Shea Butter Condition. The hairstyle that I'm gonna be doing is puff ponytail hairstyle. These are the rubber bands that I'm gonna be using to do the puff ponytail. I'm supposed to do my hair and I will see you guys like later. So this was a couple of days after I did my hair. I did my hair on Friday and I think this was Monday. Today is Wednesday, February 3rd, and I just got done cleaning up my room. Girl, look at all this snow. Like, I don't really like snow. I can't wait till I move, like to Atlanta or something, but I'm just like sick of it. It is Friday, February 5th. I know I look crazy, but I'm about to take out my hair and wash it because tomorrow I'm gonna be doing a like natural hairstyle video, and then later I think my sister will come over to make chicken dip later. So today is February 10th, and I just got done like saying my morning affirmation and trying to get motivated. I wrote down like a agenda of like things that I want to do today. I'm gonna like fix my hair because I still have like gel and stuff in my hair, so I'm gonna try to like get the gel out, and then I'm gonna like do my nails because they looking like a mess. just got done doing my nail. Now I'm just taking like a break. I was gonna do like a Reels video, but I'll do it tomorrow. Tomorrow, wash my makeup brushes and then like organize my dresser because it's like a mess. So today is Thursday, February 11th, and today I'm just cleaning my makeup brushes and organizing like my dresser and cleaning my makeup. So today is Friday. I just got done working out. Now I'm about to like finish my assignment, try to finish them. So today is Sunday and I just got done recording a video and I'm currently editing right now. That's pretty much it, this weekly vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in my next video.